This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. In today's video, we're diving into 15 powerful business machines that can turn your garage into a profit-making powerhouse, from snack food machines to 3D printers, with investment ranges, ROI insights, and exactly how they work. These machines are compact, affordable, and ready to launch a legit business, even if you're starting from scratch. So if you're ready to be your own boss and build something real, stay tuned, because your dream factory starts right here. 1. Snack Food Extruder Machine. Investment range, $5,000 to $50,000. Best for snack manufacturers, small food businesses, and cafes. This machine is a game changer for anyone entering the food business. With the ability to produce puff snacks, chips, and cereals from raw ingredients, it opens the door to high-demand, profitable products. It uses heat and pressure to transform dough into irresistible snacks in various shapes and flavors. If you're looking for a machine with mass appeal, high margins, and endless creativity, this is your golden ticket. 2. Ice Cube Vending Machine. Investment range, $5,000 to $20,000 plus. Best for passive income, gas stations, public areas. Want a passive income stream? The Ice Cube vending machine is your low-maintenance moneymaker. It dispenses ice on demand and operates 24/7, making it ideal for warm climates, event spaces, and tourist spots. With automatic refilling and cleaning, it practically runs itself, turning frozen water into solid profits. 3. Electric Pottery Wheel. Investment range, $300 to $2,000. Best for artists, potters, and small ceramic studios. This compact yet powerful machine brings precision and creativity together. Unlike old-school kick wheels, this electric version maintains consistent speed, giving artisans full control to shape bowls, vases, and plates. It's a perfect starting point for any ceramic-focused home business looking to turn passion into profit. 4. Smart Paper Bag Making Machine. Investment range, $5,000 to $15,000. Best for eco-packaging suppliers, grocery packaging businesses. With the world moving away from plastic, the demand for paper bags is booming. This machine produces eco-friendly paper bags at high speed, in multiple sizes and shapes. Ideal for supplying to retail, food, and hospitality sectors, it's an excellent choice for green entrepreneurs ready to ride the sustainability wave. 5. Ice Cream Roll Machine. Investment range, $500 to $3,000 plus. Best for dessert cafes, food trucks, event vendors. Nothing grabs attention like rolled ice cream made live. Popular in cafes, food trucks, and ice cream pods, this machine allows businesses to create engaging, interactive experiences as customers watch their dessert take shape. The main advantage of the ice cream roll machine is its ability to attract customers with the visual appeal of fresh, made-to-order ice cream rolls. It's a low-cost, high-return investment for any business wanting to create viral, Instagram-worthy desserts. 6. Scour Sponge Making Machine. Investment range, $3,000 to $15,000 plus. Best for cleaning product suppliers, wholesalers. This machine is an ideal asset for cleaning product manufacturers aiming to produce tough, dual-purpose sponges that combine the abrasive power of a scourer with the absorbency of a sponge. It uses materials like steel wool, synthetic fibers, and sponge sheets to craft durable, layered sponges that tackle grease and grime with ease, making them indispensable for home and commercial cleaning. By manufacturing scour sponges in-house, companies can better manage quality standards, reduce outsourcing costs, and increase responsiveness to demand. 7. Automatic Water Filling Machine. Investment range, $7,000 to $25,000 plus. Best for water bottling businesses, beverage companies. This machine is the backbone for industries in bottled water production, providing an efficient, streamlined way to fill containers of various sizes, from small bottles to large gallon jugs. Commonly used in beverage manufacturing and purified water distribution, this machine handles the full filling process, including bottle rinsing, filling, and capping. Its adaptability to different container types, such as PET, glass, and plastic, enables companies to diversify their product lines and cater to different consumer preferences. A major benefit of a water filling machine is its high-speed output, allowing businesses to process thousands of bottles per hour, which cuts down on production time and reduces labor costs and eliminates human errors, ensuring every bottle is filled to precise specifications. 8. Meatball forming machine. Investment range: $500 to $5,000. Best for butcher shops, restaurants, frozen food producers. Say goodbye to uneven meatballs. This machine standardizes size and shape, improving consistency and saving tons of manual labor. It automates the process, creating uniform meatballs from seasoned ground meat and reducing the time and effort required for manual shaping. Its precision ensures that each meatball is the same size, providing consistent cooking results and presentation, a key factor in food quality control. 9. Thermocol plate production machine. Investment range: $10,000 to $25,000. Best for disposable tableware suppliers, event vendors. Ideal for producing foam plates, bowls, and food trays, this machine uses automated heating, molding, and cutting to meet the ever-growing demand for disposable food service items. The foam material provides an economical option and offers the convenience and cleanliness valued in the food service industry. In addition to plates, this machine can produce foam lunchboxes and other food packaging items, expanding its functionality. It's a reliable business model for mass production at events and takeout businesses. 10. Building block production machine. Investment range: $15,000 to $50,000 plus. Best for contractors, prefab builders, eco-construction. This heavy-duty machine molds concrete or recycled plastic into modular building blocks. With construction constantly booming, you can produce materials in-house, cut costs, and even offer sustainable options. It's a larger investment, but can yield big results for those in the industry. 11. Feed and sawdust pellet machine. Investment range: $5,000 to $20,000. Best for animal feed producers, biofuel companies. Whether you're making feed for livestock or biomass fuel from sawdust, this dual-function machine turns raw waste into compact, usable pellets. It supports sustainable farming and renewable energy, making it a great option for long-term eco-focused ventures. 12. Custom ribbon printing machine. Investment range: $2,000 to $10,000. Best for gift shops, event decorators, branding businesses. Personalization is in demand, and this machine helps you deliver it. It prints names, logos, and messages on satin and organza ribbons, perfect for events, packaging, and promotional gifts. With clean, vibrant prints and low labor requirements, it's a charming niche with strong client appeal. 13. Edible cake printer. The edible cake printer is a must-have machine for anyone looking to start a creative and profitable business in the bakery or event industry. This machine prints vibrant, high-resolution images directly onto edible sheets like frosting paper or wafer paper using FDA-approved edible ink. It allows cake decorators to personalize cakes with photos, logos, cartoon characters, or custom messages, perfect for birthdays, weddings, corporate events, and other celebrations. This not only enhances the visual appeal of the cake, but also adds high value to your offerings. With entry-level printers starting around $300 and commercial models going up to $5,000, it's an affordable investment with high profit margins. The edible cake printer is perfect for home-based bakeries, catering services, or side hustlers looking to offer unique edible art. 14. Candle making machine. The candle making machine is a brilliant investment for entrepreneurs looking to tap into the booming home decor and aromatherapy markets. This compact, automated setup can melt, mix, mold, and pour wax into stylish candle containers, ideal for producing scented, decorative, or even therapeutic candles at scale. From soy and beeswax to custom fragrance oils and colors, the possibilities for unique, branded products are endless. It's perfect for launching your own line or supplying to gift shops, online marketplaces, or boutique retailers. Starting around $1,000 for semi-automatic models and going up to $10,000 for high-output units, this machine offers fast ROI, especially with candles often selling at high markups. It's clean, creative, and perfectly suited for a garage-sized production unit with minimal labor. 15. Phone case printer. Investment range, $500 to $10,000. Best for custom accessory sellers, gift shops, e-commerce entrepreneurs. If you've ever wanted to tap into the booming personalized accessories market, the phone case printer is your gateway. This machine prints high-resolution, full-color images directly onto plastic, silicone, and even metal phone cases, turning ordinary cases into custom art. From fan art to branded merch, the possibilities are endless. It's compact, easy to use, and produces vibrant, scratch-resistant prints that last. Whether you run an online store or a local kiosk, this machine allows for on-demand printing, so there's no need to stock hundreds of designs. Startup costs are relatively low, and with the right marketing, each print can bring in a solid margin. This is an ideal investment for small creative businesses that want to build a unique product line with low overhead and high personalization appeal. So, there you have it, 15 powerful machines that can turn your garage into a profit-making mini factory. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or planning to build a full-time business, these machines can help you get started smart and scale fast. So, which machine caught your eye the most? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more business ideas like this. Until next time, keep building, keep hustling, your dream business starts today.